Welcome back to the HaasOnline training series. In this session, we're going to look at the order book view feature. Now, this is extremely helpful for trying to see how the order book is moving on various pairs on different exchanges, or just to see how the same pair is running on different exchanges. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so once we've logged into the HDS platform, what we're going to want to do is on the left-hand side, hover and scroll down until we see under features the order book view button. Let's go ahead and click that, and then we'll be taken to the order book view. Now there's 5 different panes which will actually show the different order book information we want to see. Now it's important to note you'll only be able to see the pairs on the exchanges you have enabled. So to select a pair to see, what we're going to want to do is look for these right and left facing arrows, hover over it, and then hover over the exchange we want to look for. Now we can search for the given pair or click it from the list below, but in this case, let's go ahead and click ADA. What you'll notice is immediately the order book information is pulled down and we can begin to see it getting updated in real time. And we can do that up to 5 different, or we can view up to 5 different order books. So let's go ahead, add Bitrix's ADA BTC. And you'll see we can begin to see the discrepancies between the two, as well as the order sizes and the current completed orders down here. But we're not limited to seeing just the same pair. We can also see different pairings. So for example, on Binance, if we want to see BTC USDT, we could search USDT, click BTC USDT, and we can do the same on Bitrix. Now, to mix it up, let's go ahead and pick another pair. In this case, let's do a BNB pair from Binance. Now it's important to note, depending on the amount of information that exists from the given pair and latency between the HDS software and the exchange, or just the sheer amount of data that needs to be pulled out, will depend on how fast the initial data will be displayed. So don't be disheartened if the information doesn't show immediately. Now, I'm hoping that helps give you some idea of a different way to view the data you're looking at and to keep track of more information than you normally would. It's extremely useful if you're trying to see if large orders on different exchanges are affecting orders on smaller exchanges and vice versa. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and as always, like or subscribe. That way you can be notified on any new videos we push out. Until next time.